So much to love. Pristine, full brick 1.5-story home in highly desirable Cove Creek. LG park-like lot west/stunning landscaping, koi pond and Jap garden. Wonderful floor plan feet. 3 bedrooms down, 1 up west/2 bonus rooms and wine cellar. So much light west/huge windows, heavy crown, all 9 or 10-foot ceilings first floor. HW flooring through first floor. Kitchen including granite, freshly painted white cabinetry, kitchen bar and LG breakfast room. Huge, bright owner's bedroom opens to back deck. Cool wine cellar or office/playrm and LG bonus, curr. Storage. Screened porch and 2 patios west/hot tub for fabulous outdoor entertaining.